pink lady. Oh fuck, he's crazy. Get the fuck out of here. Holy shit! Oh, he's so crazy! He's on his pink lady. Dude, stock, 8 tooth, uh-oh. It's steep, but it's getting it. Alright, my turn. Wow! Alright, my turn.
Oh, fuckaroonies!
Dude! If he would have had the 8 tooth, he's crazy.
Got far.
Oh, I wish I freaking filmed the climb. Oh! Bumbling! Fuck, this is crazy. That's right! That's how we do! We're hitting like 30 miles an hour on these left roads! What you gotta say, yo? Hopefully it's nothing major and it's just little. We'll be back on that.
From the car! And he's got a broken belt! Well, what motherfucker brought an extra belt with them? Me, motherfuckers! So, we're good, man. We can hook you up with a belt then. And I'm traveling lightly. An extra belt. Dallas, we're gonna get you going again. That's what it is, man. No man left behind.
No man left behind.
All right, go. Seven Springs. Hopefully no flash floods will come through here and this will be live action.